Coach Goddard, I just wanted to first of all thank you for everything. Going to Monmouth College and playing softball with you as a head coach was truly one of the best decisions I could have ever made. I love how you not only formed a team, but you formed a family, and I think the fact that you did form that family was one of the reasons we were so successful. Some of my favorite memories was going over to your house for the chili suppers at the beginning of the year. I think that truly formed a strong bond between all of the players and ultimately led to our success. So thank you and congratulations on your retirement. I hope you enjoy it.
There's many reasons why to choose Monmouth College, and I chose Monmouth because of you, Coach Goddard. You allowed me to still be able to play softball and get my education. You also taught me how to be better with time management because you said we were there for school first, softball second. Thank you so much for always bringing in a great group of girls because they turned into great teammates and great friends. There's many memories that we all share with you, but some of the memories I can remember would be waking up early for early morning practices or workouts to late night games. All of them I would never trade for the world. Thank you for always stopping for ice cream in Florida because you loved ice cream just as much as we did, and always saying pardon my French and yet no French ever came out of your mouth. Thank you so much for your dedication to this program throughout all these years. It never went unnoticed, and you're going to be greatly missed, Coach Goddard, but happy retirement. Congrats.
Hey, Coach Goddard, congratulations on your retirement. Just want to start off by saying thank you for all of the amazing memories that you gave me from being at Monmouth College and being part of the softball team. I don't think my college experience would have been complete without it. All of the crazy bus rides and the turtles that we all love so much for hours on end. And you letting us play those crazy games in the back and pretending not to hear what we were talking about when you probably did and you were just appalled by the things that you were hearing us say. My last memory of you was in fact at my wedding, and I'm so excited to say that I cannot believe that my softball coach from college was at my wedding. It's not something that everybody can say. And in case you forgot, here it is, picture, worth 1,000 words, and that's what it is. There's nothing that I can say that can tell you how thankful I am of being part of that team and being one of your players. You're an amazing coach, and Monmouth College softball won't be the same without you.
Hey Coach, it's Wink. Take 200 for me right now, sitting in my garage because it's the only quiet place I could find. First off, I just wanted to start by saying that I'm sorry that your final season is ending like this. I know that you probably wanted to go out with a bang, but I hope you know how much of an impact you made on me, not only in my life, but as a softball player as well. When you got me as a player, I had been beaten down, brought down, and you helped rebuild the love of softball for me, and you helped me believe in myself and my abilities. And, I will never forget, Knox College was probably the best game of my entire collegiate career. You had just given me the bunt sign, and then last minute you decided to wave it off. Bases were loaded, and I hit a grand slam. I remember how excited you were. You were jumping up and down when I got to third base. That was actually also my first game back after my grandmother had passed. And I tell you, the time that you gave me to grieve her, I can never get that back, and no collegiate coach would probably ever given me that much time. And thank you so much for being as patient and as kind as you were to me during that time. And I really, truly hope you know how much of an impact you made on me, not only as a college athlete, but in my life as well. You always showed me that you got to keep going no matter what and always give it your all. So thank you so much, Coach. Truly, thank you.
Hi, Coach. I'm sure that these videos have been a really good test of your memory, but I hope that if you take anything away from it, you realize how much of an impact that you made on all of us during our time at Monmouth, and we are really thankful for that. I hope that you have a restful retirement, and I really look forward to seeing you outside of the concession stand at homecoming.
Hi, Coach Goddard. I want to congratulate you on your retirement. It is crazy to think that time has flown by that much. It seems like just yesterday I was walking into freshman year fall ball where, if I remember correctly, there was 11 pitchers and 9 of us were freshmen. In my 4 years of being at Monmouth, you've shown how kind someone can be, how thoughtful someone can be, and how tough someone can be. One of my favorite memories is at the Midwest Conference my junior year. I think we were playing St. Norbert, and I had given up a home run in the very first inning. You had come out to the mound and yelled at me and told me I was no longer to throw a rise ball the rest of the game. And honestly, that was the best thing you could have told me because that was the best game that I've ever thrown in my life and career, and I credit that to you, and thank you for that. Lastly, I want to say thank you. During my sophomore year at Monmouth, our team had suffered a pretty big loss with losing Fluff as a pitching coach and just as a person in general. your love and your strength really got a lot of us through that time, and I just want to say I appreciate you for that. I love you. I miss you. I'm sorry I didn't get to see you this year, and I wish you the best.
Hey Coach, it's Taylor. Just wanted to congratulate you on retirement from softball. I never thought I'd see the day that you were actually going to retire and hang on to all the memories and all the good things. I wanted to hop on here and kind of let you know, kind of give you a few ideas of some of my favorite memories of the things when I played for you at Monmouth. The first would be you always stopping to feed us on the way home in the bus. All the trips to Florida and all the sunburns, all the good times. And then, of course, you always taking us for ice cream whenever we asked you to. All the times that we got in trouble for doing things that we should not have been doing during practice. And of course, countless times that we won games or maybe lost games when we should have won. I appreciate everything you did for me as a player and as a person. And again, I just wanted to congratulate you on an amazing career as probably the best softball coach Monmouth College is ever going to see. I miss you, and I hope all is well, and I hope to see you or hear from you soon.
Hi Coach, it's Mick. I just wanted to wish you a happy retirement. I remember being a senior in high school and uncommitted to an institution at that time, and you asking me to take a visit to Monmouth College's campus. I remember after meeting you and the softball team that this in my heart was going to be my home for the next 4 years. And I can honestly and truly say that attending Monmouth College was the best 4 years of my life. I also wanted to thank you for not only being a coach, but for being a mentor and a leader. You truly led us by example to become well-rounded individuals and to how to execute and be successful in our professional careers. So I thank you for that. I look forward to seeing all the things that you do in your retirement and wish you nothing but the best of luck.
I'd like to take a moment to recognize the achievements and contributions of John Goddard to the athletic department at Monmouth College. John has 212 wins in 13 seasons as head coach, the most wins and longest tenure in softball program history. 40 times Monmouth College players earned all conference honors under your guidance as head coach. 4 players were named Midwest Conference Pitcher of the Year, and 2 were named Midwest Conference Player of the Year. You were honored by your peers as a Midwest Conference Coach of the Year on 3 occasions. Your leadership guided the Scots to the Midwest Conference Tournament 6 times. Your players always set a high standard for academic excellence, with 93 players recognized as Academic All-Conference and 71 being recognized as NFCA All-American Scholar Athletes. John, thank you for your dedication and passion for Monmouth College athletics. As the Director of Intramurals, you've benefited the entire student population. As a dedicated member of the athletic department, you provided an example of what a true professional is for the young coaches that you work beside. Without question, your finest quality is your loyalty to everything Monmouth College. Coach Goddard, best wishes for a great day today and many years to come.
Hey Coach Goddard, it's Liz Hippen. I just want to say happy retirement. I know it's not the way you wanted to go out, and I know it's not the way we wanted you to go out either. But I know you're going to be happy and successful in whatever your future retirement years look like. I just want to say thank you so much for believing in me as soon as I stepped onto that campus and as soon as I stepped onto the softball field. Your constant encouragement and holding me to a high standard is what kept me motivated. But honestly, I think I'm more grateful about all the times that we spent in your office just talking about life in general. I really miss those talks, and I knew you were someone that was consistent at Monmouth, someone I knew I could always go to and get advice. Monmouth is really going to miss you. We're all going to miss you and your presence. So thank you so much for growing these players into the women that they are today. We wouldn't be anywhere without you. And I know Monmouth is extremely grateful to have you all your years. So happy retirement, Coach. We love you and hope you have a great rest of your years.
Hey, Coach. I am so grateful that my time at Monmouth included you as my head coach. A memory I will never forget is the compassion you showed me after I tore my ACL freshman year. You sat with me through every 7 a.m., noon, and 6 p.m. knee icing in the training room and gave me the opportunity to play despite it all. No other coach would have done that for me, and I am truly forever grateful. I hope this next chapter of life is just as exciting as the last one. Thanks.
Hi, Coach. I wanted to say congratulations on your retirement. Although I'm sure this is not exactly how you expected your career to end, you have so much to be thankful and proud of in your time at Monmouth College. Whether that be being Coach of the Year several times, taking the girls to the conference tournament many times, or just forming strong relationships with each of us girls. I have many favorite memories with you. However, my favorite would have to be our trips that we took down to Florida every season. I am so thankful for the support that you've given me.
Hi, Coach. Just wanted to say congratulations on your retirement. I'm sure this is definitely not how you imagined your final season. I am very grateful for the 4 years that I played for you at Monmouth. While I was there, you taught us to make the most of the time that we have. And you always encouraged us to want to be better than just okay. Those are some things that I try and instill in my student athletes as I'm a coach now, and I have you to thank for that. So thank you again, and congratulations on a fantastic coaching career, and I wish you all the best.
Hi, Coach Goddard. Sommer, Munson, and Turner here. Just wanted to say congratulations on your retirement. I'm sorry that your last season was cut short due to COVID-19, but please try to enjoy your retirement as much as you can because you definitely deserve it. I would have to say that one of my favorite memories is from the 2015 season when I was your assistant for my first year, and we were in Wisconsin for the crossover tournament, and we were in that back alleyway doing laundry at that sketchy laundromat. I was a little nervous. I think you were too, but we were there till the wee hours of the morning ensuring that the girls' laundry was all done and complete. And that's when I realized how much you had done for us, when I was a past player, making sure that we had all of our uniforms, everything was clean, and didn't matter what time it was. You were there doing it, and then you were up early the next morning making sure all of us were ready to go. So I just wanted to say thank you for that, and I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy your retirement. Roll Scots!
Coach Goddard, congratulations on your retirement. You've been a great coach to work with. 13 years as a head coach and about 5 before that as an assistant. Really enjoyed working with you in that manner and coaching with you for those 5 years. And one thing that really sticks out to me is the positive impact you had on all the kids you worked with, especially that really inspirational, motivational message after we lost to Grinnell in a game that we shouldn't have lost when you told them, "I'm recruiting to replace every single one of you." That really was kind of a funny moment now looking back at it. I'd like to get you one of those softball yard signs, but they've all disappeared. I don't know where I could find another one. Happy retirement to you.
Hey Coach, it's Oz. I just wanted to say thank you for everything that you did for me throughout my 4 years at Monmouth. Not only did you help me become a better player, but also a better person. You were always there for any of us whenever we needed you, and I can't thank you enough for that. I hope you enjoy your retirement. Bye.
Hey Coach Goddard, it's Charlotte. I know you know who I am, but we also know how you can be with names. So, anyway, first of all, I just want to say congratulations on your retirement. And even though now when you go to Olive Garden, you won't be surrounded by all your bitches, I know you'll have Pam and everybody else to keep you company and keep you happy. So, enjoy life to the fullest. Thanks, Coach.
Coach Goddard, as part of your first recruiting class, I feel as though we started our Monmouth journey together. I chose to play for Monmouth College in large part because I knew our enthusiasm for the game and vision for the team were aligned. Reflecting on the years I was privileged to play for you bring back fond memories of exhilarating comeback wins, celebratory bus trips back to campus, and the opportunity to achieve record-setting status. I appreciate that with little tough love, you taught us the important life lessons about commitment, teamwork, humility, and sportsmanship. Thank you for leading our team and supporting us as individuals. You have gone above and beyond to help shape each and every young woman grow not only as an athlete, but as a person. Congratulations on your retirement. You truly made an impressive impact on the Monmouth College softball program, and more importantly, on the lives of those you've coached.
Hi, Coach Goddard. Happy retirement. There is no one who deserves it more than you. When I think of Monmouth and all of my memories there, you are one of the first people that pops into my head. You were truly the heart and soul of that school, and you will be missed. I hope that you enjoy retirement and get to spend a lot of time with your loved ones and your family.
Hey Coach, happy retirement. Congrats on the achievement. I am so glad that I was able to be a small part in your journey through MCSB. Thanks for always looking out for us as a team, keeping us safe, keeping us fed, and winning games is pretty cool too. So I wish you all the best, and we look forward to staying in touch with you through this time.
Hey Coach Goddard, happy retirement. We are all reflecting back on our phenomenal memories of you and your amazing coaching that you did over the years of your career at Monmouth. So we just wanted to say a quick thank you and share some wonderful memories we have of you. I have so many fond memories of you. My first one is when you had us our freshman year report to the Huff Center and read the Pretty Good poem, and talked about that the reason why we were at Monmouth not only was to play softball because we were athletes, but was also to get a great quality education. And that really stuck with me, especially as I did all my classes at Monmouth. And I actually have that poem still, and I read it with my 8th grade leadership students that I teach every year, and talk about the drive that comes with being successful, and that pretty good sometimes isn't always enough, and what it means to reach our goals. And I always talk about you, my amazing softball coach I had in college, and how you always wanted us to reach for our goals. So thank you for that. It's a memory that I hold really close to my heart, and I still share with all my kids that I teach. I also want to thank you for letting me do choir and softball at the same time as I was running from choir practice to get to softball practice, because you knew how important music was to me. And I actually am a music teacher now, and I absolutely love it. And a lot of coaches would have never allowed that time to be able to go to choir to sing, but you always allowed it and came to my concerts as well. You were just always so full of life and a smile. You allowed us to play really loud music on the bus all the time to pump us up for games. You took us on awesome spring break trips to Arizona and Florida, taking that many girls on a plane all at the same time. We all commend you, especially college girls. You have done so much, and Monmouth College and all of your players cannot thank you enough. We hope you have a great retirement and get to do some things that you love. And we all love you more than you ever know, Coach Goddard.
Hi, Coach. Congratulations on your retirement. I know this isn't how you wanted it to go out or how you deserve, but I just wanted to thank you for an amazing 4 years as a student athlete at Monmouth College. A memory that comes to mind is when I drew a certain body part on the field. We had to run a few suicides, but afterwards you complimented me on my artistic skills, so thanks for that. Something else that kind of stuck with me is when you talked about round two-its, and you gave us these little round two-its every year, and gave us that article where basically just talked about, if you keep saying you're going to get around to do something, you're not really accomplishing much. So just being purposeful in our time and, where we're spending it and the work ethic that we put in. So thank you so much for, not only coaching us as athletes, but as individuals. And I just appreciate my time spent with you, and I wish you the best of luck.
Hey, Coach Goddard. Congratulations on your retirement. I'm so sorry that this year hasn't been probably the year you imagined with everything going on, but Monmouth softball is definitely not going to be the same without you. You were one of the best coaches ever, an even better person, and I feel so bad for the girls who aren't going to get to have you, but you've definitely made an impact on all of us, especially me. Monmouth softball was some of the best memories I've ever had, especially senior year, going out strong, breaking the record for most wins. So glad I was able to help be a part of that. But Monmouth is definitely going to miss you. You were amazing, and I hope you have such a blast in retirement. And stay in touch, Coach. Bye.